Hello everyone. So today we have Grundig 2030. It's from 1970s and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Unfortunately, this plastic trim has few cracks, so it's not perfect condition, but it still looks good, okay? Okay, let's try the cassette. Let's try forward. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Not much light here, but this is how it came from factory. It's all original. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch from FM mode to middle waves, which we don't use in these days. So it's very simple, just switch it. Now the radio is on Bluetooth mode, okay? Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a couple of seconds, and here it is. Now that's it, it's connected. You can go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? Let's try another song. It's very simple to use. When you want to back to your regular radio, simply switch this button down, and now you're on the FM mode again. Cool, right? Thumbs up, guys.